This is a Gamewell FCI S3 series fire alarm system. Sometimes it is necessary to disable a device that has gone into alarm due to accessibility or safety reasons that it cannot be immediately serviced. So what information you'll need is the loop and the address number of the device you want to disable. Start by pressing Menu, Input Output, Level 2 panel. Enable Disable Device, Loop 1, Address 4. This range here, if you wanted to disable a monitor point, you set it to 1 for a monitor point. We had an S, so the range for that is a 0. Got the correct loop, the address, and the range. Press Enter. We want to turn that device off, acknowledge the trouble. After you have it disabled, you can reset your system, and it will do a 60-second countdown. When it is done doing the countdown, the system will go into trouble, showing the detector has been placed in a disconnect mode. Acknowledge the trouble, and that will remain in trouble like that until that detector can be serviced. In the meantime, the rest of your fire alarm system is back up and running.